What's going on, diecast enthusiasts? How's everybody doing today? Hope everyone's doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you very much for asking. So I've got two mail calls here. Decided to do a mail call video. I feel like I haven't done a long video in a long time. So I bring you some mail calls because I think it's kind of interesting to find out what I actually did buy. So I'm going to save the big one for last because I think that's something pretty cool. Let's start off with the small one. These are from my Facebook auction wins, and this guy did a phenomenal job taping this up. I love using these kind of boxes because they're very durable. So let's find out what we got. We've got some plastic bags here. You can never have enough of those. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. So it looks like I only won two things, and that's fine by me. But let's check out what I won. So if anyone's really interested, I'm going to be doing another giveaway this month on my Facebook, and I would like you guys to join in on the fun. It is a completely free giveaway. You guys don't owe me any money for shipping. You're not buying the items. I'm giving away 3 items with 3 bonus cards, and you guys get stickers. So that itself is actually pretty cool. I haven't decided on what I'm going to give away for May, but I'm going to find you guys something good. I've had a couple of requests for monster trucks. Obviously, there's going to be a premium, and there's a mystery car, and that was Christine's idea. So I think we'll do the mystery car too. So anyways, what did I win here? So it looks like we've got the 2023 Collector's Edition, and this is a Jaguar lightweight E-Type. I don't have this one. So I said I have to grab it. I have to win this. And I think I was the only one that bid on it. And for a Jaguar, this thing is not bad looking at all. I do like the E-Type. So we got this right here. Actually, you know what? Let's shed some light on this situation. Beautiful. There we go. We've got some really cool red line tires. We've got a metal base. Look at this purple, man. This is Spectra Flame Purple. And this car looks phenomenal. Absolutely sweet, my guy. And check out the very little details here with the headlights. And we've got the Hot Wheels 68 right there on the nose. Very cool car. Very special indeed. And this thing is just super, super nice. So what we got here, this looks like it's the Jaguar E-Type badge. Very cool. Very collectible indeed. You can get these by buying $20 worth of cars back in 2023. Whether it was for Walmart or it could have been Dollar Tree, it could have been Dollar General. I think it's Dollar General that does the collector's editions. So you would buy 20 bucks, you would mail in just the cardboard, don't mail in the cars. So you'd have to open the cars for the cardboard. I have extra cardboard because I'm constantly opening cars. Shh, don't tell them. So I will buy what I like, and then I will substitute the carded vehicles for the cardboard backings. I do save those just for those contests, and I missed the last one, so I was very upset. But I wasn't really upset. I mean, is what it is. It'll come back around, but check this thing out. This one was hot when it first came out. The Porsche 356 Outlaw. This is a very special car indeed. This is an early model Porsche. And if you were to ask me what's the year on it, I'm going to go 1950s, 1960s, I believe. So very nice. Spectra Flame paint as well. And that's kind of up for debate whether the Ultra Huts are Spectra Flame, but I believe that they are because they're very shiny. They're very shiny like Spectra Flame paint. So why else wouldn't they be Spectra Flame paint? I'm just saying, it makes total sense, doesn't it? It does. Don't listen to me. Listen to me. But anyways, moving on to the other one. Let me clear the way here. It's just an empty box. I'm keeping this because I'm constantly sending stuff out. We got this other big box right here. What could it be? Does anyone know where this box came from? I don't know. I think some of us do. So what is inside? I do know what I bought, and I've been waiting for these. So, what do we have here? I was like, they only sent one? They sent two. They packaged it up kind of funky. Let's get the box out of here. So, we're going to move over here. So, I ended up getting two of these. And I think these things are pretty unique. And the reason why I did get it was for the MK3. I do like that Volkswagen Jetta right there. So I do have a second one that's going up for grabs. Is it in the giveaway? No. Is this the mystery cars? No. Of course not. I mean, what a giveaway prize, though. Am I right? I'll tell you what. I will do a 2-pack like this in an upcoming giveaway, and that's why you guys got to stay tuned on the Facebook group. Link will be down below. Please join, and I encourage anyone, if they want to show stuff off, you guys want to sell stuff, that's fine. Just be good human beings, no trash talk, and just be nice. That's all I ask. Just be nice, you know, because I'm a nice guy, kind of a nice guy, somewhat of a nice guy. By Thursday, I'm not so nice, but this is a Monday, so I'm very nice. Anyways, along with the Volkswagen Jetta MK3, we have the Volkswagen ID.R, which leads me to believe that's an electric car. Nope. It is actually really kind of cool. I mean, it's very aerodynamic. That's a new word. You're not going to say super sweet? No, because electric cars are not sweet. I'm sorry. They're just not. But anyways, check this thing out. A lot of detail went into these cars, I will admit. And I think that's what I really do like about certain premiums, is that they do pack a lot of detail for a very low price. Instead of mini GTs being $20 or Cato House being like $20, $25, that's pretty much what you pay. You know, the premium cars from Hot Wheels, they do pack a lot of details into the cars, the paint job, the wheels, the tires, everything. And that's why they are very highly collectible. And I think, you know, like I've always said, the devil is in the details. So anyways, I don't know much about the ID.R, and that's kind of really too bad. We have a metal base as well. And I know that electric cars are doing Grand Touring racing like this. I believe that'd be the shortest race ever. Intermission, you'd have to recharge the cars for another hour, or they just bring 2 or 3 of them. I don't know. Anyways, it is rather cool. I'm not a fan of electric vehicles. And if this is not, nope, definitely electric vehicle. Anyways, moving on to the Jetta MK3. This thing is in a very, very nice livery. I love the paint job. Bilstein makes really good shocks. And check this thing out. It's got a lot of detail, really nice colors. We've got the roll cage. That means it's a racing car, without a doubt. Very, very, very nice. Turn over to the back here. So we already have these two, and it looks like part of the set would be the Ford Bronco R, the Ford F-150 Raptor. I may go for that, I may not. The Golf cars right here is the Lancia Rally 037, or number 37. And we have the Fiat 131, a Berth. And just because these things are in Golf livery, nobody likes these cars, but these will fly off the shelf. I believe these 4 cars right here will be peg warmers. You may be able to find this one, but I got a funny feeling this one's going to go from common, uncommon. You're not going to find it. And this would be out for, it says 2021, which I find very odd, because I know that this, the 2 trucks, they are a brand new set. So, but anyways, I've got 2 of them. One's up for grabs. I'm going to keep the other one. So I'm not sure what I'm going to price them at, but I'll say I'll sell them for $20. So it's $10 a car, and I'm not sure when these things are going to hit the shelves, but that is going to be it. $20 a car. $10 a car, 20 for the set. And this is a very nice set indeed. I definitely do like the MK3s. Very, very nice. A lot of detail went into it. Like I said, devil is in the details. So, video's going on for 10 minutes. I want to go because I just heard Christine came home and I want to hang out with her. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go. Collect what you like, and if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. So do it right at the time of your life. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. I'll know. Later, taters.